What's up everyone? I just wanted to go over a little tutorial on how I'm gonna power my Garmin Echomap with Milwaukee batteries. I'm gonna make my Echomap portable so I can take it off the boat and take it ice fishing. And eventually I'm gonna get Livescope. So I think Milwaukee batteries are the way to go. I use them around the house. Weed eaters. I power my ice auger with Milwaukee hammer drill. So I already have two 5 amp hour batteries, and I just got this 9 amp hour battery. So I should get 8 to 9 hours powering the Livescope. I would have got the 12, but it was a little more expensive and a lot heavier, and I want to keep everything lightweight, so I went with the 9. It should be plenty for what I need. Plus I got the 2 5 amp hour backups, so I should be good to go when it comes to that. I bought this adapter off of Amazon, and the battery will just clip in. When you're done, just take it off, throw it on the charger, grab a new one, and you're good to go. This power cable I got, it's a double power cable, so this will power my Echomap, and this one will power the Livescope. The gray clips are also for the Livescope, and on the other end it comes with the spade clips. So if you bought the kit, it would come with your regular lithium battery, and those just clip on to the battery. Well, what I'm gonna do is put male ends on these bare wires so I can just plug this straight in, and I'll be able to power everything with the Milwaukee batteries. Okay, I'm actually gonna cut these wires shorter. There's a little too much on there. Right there. That's about all I need. This is 14 gauge. Alright, so I got the unit hooked up. Put the battery on. Wires fit in there just nice. Now power on. See what happens. Comes right on. Nice bright screen. Now these batteries, they're 18 volt batteries, but they actually put out 20 volts, which these units, they can handle a little over 20 volts, so it should be fine. I shouldn't have to get a reducer or anything. Let's see. No transducer, let's go. Setting. Turn on the simulator. Okay. And Let's see what Livescope Ford. Oh, that's for the LVS 12. Let's check out this regular Livescope. There you go. See, it's reading 20.6 volts, which is fine. And that's it.